The folks, Guy here. As many of you know, I moved recently from Oakland to Bend, Oregon. Still on the West Coast, but around us on the West Coast, near Portland and close to where I'm living, fires have been raging. I mean, our home hasn't been threatened, fortunately, but the smoke has been blowing here, and it's been crazy. I mean, it's been hazardous. So much so that my wife and I took our two kids and we got out of Dodge. We drove to Idaho, Boise, Idaho, and stayed there. And it was crazy. I mean, the kids started school. I was doing a workshop, and I had to do an interview the other day. And I honestly, I was just, you ever get to the point where like, I can't do it. Things are so crazy. And my wife was like, Guy, this is what you do. You can't reschedule this. You need to do it. Anyway, I did it, and it turned out to be an amazing interview. I mean, not because of me, but because of the person I was interviewing. And I'm not going to share the story because I don't want to give it away, but this person was just so inspiring. And this is why I love doing this podcast, because I get to talk to people like this. This guy works with kids who are really severely impacted, have severe mental illness, complications and challenges, and he and his colleagues, they take these kids and they work with them not just in 15-minute sessions, but for hours. They take them out into the field, into the countryside, mountain climbing, rock climbing, walking through streams, and it was just so amazing to hear him talk about the benefits that this has, and it was kind of magical. And then I was thinking to myself, well, it really isn't magic, right? I mean, that's the kind of attention that we all need, really, but especially kids and people. But we're talking about kids here, you know, young individuals who are severely impacted with trauma. This got me so excited, and I said, this again is why I love doing this podcast. It's also why I love bringing people together, newer clinicians who are starting, newer trauma therapists who are starting out on their trauma-informed journey. If you're looking for a community, if you're looking to be surrounded by other people who are doing this amazing work, incredible work, I want to invite you to check out my membership community, Trauma Therapist 2.0. And right now, I have a quarterly sale where you can save 33% for every quarter and jump in and get a really good deal. But more importantly, if you're looking for a community, I want to invite you to show up and join the other amazing trauma therapists from around the world who are in Trauma Therapist 2.0. All right, take care.